Well, hello. This is one of my little favorites from childhood, actually. It's just the way that I dress up my oatmeal in the morning so I get a little bit more packed in my bowl. So I'm going to go ahead and heat up 1 1/4 cups of water. Purified water.
Some people say that we won't last a year.
I go ahead and add a pinch of salt. Now I put in a double amount. Double servings. Yeah, no one can exist on the little servings they serve you unless it's a little tiny kid. I asked to put my raisins in now. A healthy amount of raisins. And I cook it for half the time it says. So it says 5 minutes. We're going to go with 2 1/2 so I have a better bite. I like that. Gotta add a little cinnamon. I turn it off. I turn the burner off and I let it sit there while I make nice. Careful with the cinnamon because depending on how sensitive someone's stomach is, it can really cause you a lot of problems. So instead of sending your kids off to school with a full stomach and feeling good, you could be sending them to school holding their stomachs going, oh, I wish I didn't eat that. It happens to me all the time. Alright, right about now, I'll go ahead and throw my nuts in. So, it's about 1/8 of a cup maybe of chopped nuts. Little bit of protein, because you don't want to have a sugar low crash. I'm going to go ahead and toss in my brown sugar. And again, that's about 1/8 of a cup. I'd say I'm plating it, but I'm actually bowling it. Alright, let's see how much I get. Out of 2 servings of oatmeal, 1/8 a cup of raisins, 1/8 a cup of nuts. Let's see what kind of bowl I can get myself together here. Oh, yeah, I like the firmness of, these are long cooking oats. I like the firmness of them. I don't like to eat something that tastes like mush. But you know what? We'll have something that tastes like mush here directly. Let me pour the rest of it in here. And there you have it. Just simple. I like simple. Simple goodness. Little bit of butter. It's time to eat. Yeah, I wish they were still here. Anyway, I'm going to sit down and eat it. You guys have yourself a lovely day, and I will as well. Just starting my day, actually. Talk to you later. Bye.